heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourths, the fifths, the minor fall, and the major lead, the balletic composing. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. It was strong, but you need to prove. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to your kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips you drew the was how to shoot at someone who would do you. And it's not a cry you hear at night, it's not someone who's in the light. It's a cold and it's a broken